In Michigan, the numbers are going in the wrong direction. COVID patients being hospitalized are going up, while staff at hospitals are shrinking. That has a doctor here at Royal Oak Beaumont pleading for help. The effects of the pandemic, combined with typical winter illness and afflictions, is taking a toll.
So when you combine the two, it creates great strain on the resources that we have.
On Monday, Michigan saw a record number of COVID hospitalizations. According to U of M Michigan Medicine, 4,404 people were admitted to hospitals across the state. That tops the previous record by 39 patients, which was set back on April 8th, 2020. These are patients who need treatment and qualified professionals to treat them.
We're ready for anyone who wants to roll up their sleeves and come join us to please do so.
Just last week, the Department of Defense brought in 20 healthcare workers to Beaumont-Dearborn. 20 more were sent to Grand Rapids. Clearly, more is needed.
If it's 20 people, we're thankful for it. We could also use the assistance of anyone in the community. These past few years have been hard, and several folks have left healthcare for one reason or another.
During the course of the pandemic, elective surgeries were put on hold. But what happens if hospital beds are still full?
What happens when there's that urgent surgery? Is urgent emergent? Who has to make that decision? It's so very challenging to figure out what to do in cases like that.
Dr. Bozic says it's time for hospitals to get creative when thinking of incentives to get medical professionals back in the hospitals. However, he, for one, doesn't think hospitals will do away with mandatory vaccinations for hospital employees. He says they will continue to practice what they preach.
It's our duty in public health to make sure that we do our best to not make anyone ill that comes through our doors.
Dr. Bozic says it isn't just an issue affecting big hospitals. He's concerned smaller hospitals, which prep patients then send them to larger facilities, will find those patients simply don't have anywhere to go. In Royal Oak, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.